Benefits of intentional washing. Hands and wrists. Calm the nerves. Just a few days after their last hangout, Tom and Will found themselves back at their favorite coffee spot. This time, Tom walked in with a spark in his eyes, eager to tell Will how mindful washing had started to change everything for him.
Bro, I've been sticking to that mindful washing. Head, neck, upper body, and man, I've never felt this light and clear before. It's like every shower hits reset on my whole vibe. Showers are my new therapy now, thanks to you. So, what's next? Anything else I should be tuning into?
Oh yeah, now that you're working on the upper body, let's move down to something people totally overlook. Your hands and wrists.
Hands? What do they have to do with anything? I mean, I wash them all the time.
True, but have you ever massaged them with intention? Especially the webbing between your thumb and index finger?
That squishy part? I think I've pressed it before when I had a headache.
Exactly. In traditional Chinese medicine, that spot's a powerhouse for relieving tension and emotional stress. Try pinching and massaging it firmly for about 30 seconds on each hand. When you pinch the tips of your fingers, they relieve runny nose, headaches, toothache, and neck pain. When you have a meal that doesn't sit right in your stomach, use the pressure point on the blade of your hand just below the pinky finger will relieve the digestive issues. There are 18 pressure spots just on the back of your hands. They resolve all kinds of symptoms. There are 30 pressure spots just on the palm of your hands. You know you are in the right spot because there will be tenderness. Keep moving around the back of your hand until you find a tender spot. Some of those spots relate to sexual stimulation and reproduction.
Huh. I didn't realize your hands had pressure points that healed or help open blocked energy in other parts of the body. I've absent-mindedly massaged my hands during meetings to relive the anxiety and stress.
I bet you haven't been conscious of some of the self-healing you have done while in stressful situations. It works, man. Not only does it ease tension headaches, but it can also help release emotional buildup too. Think of it like unplugging a pressure valve. The 48 different pressure points in your hands relate to 27 different bodily functions like glands, organs, and muscles.
I could use immediate relief during stressful workdays. So I can do this while I am on the phone, video conferences, or waiting for the bus. What about the wrists?
The inner wrists, especially a point called pericardium 6. Sounds complicated, but it's just a calming zone linked to heart energy. Start by working the crease at your wrist. Again, look for the tender spot and put pressure there. Helps the prostate, sciatica, and lymphatic system. Oh, and hemorrhoids.
Where exactly?
Just place 3 fingers above the crease of your wrist, then press or rub that spot gently. Do it when you're in the shower or even before bed.
What does it do?
It soothes anxiety, helps improve your mood, and can even help with nausea or dizziness. It's subtle, but it works wonders if you stick with it.
That's wild. Wait a minute, I have 2 hands. Are the pressure points the same? Do the pressure points in the hands mirror the same healing of the body? Or does one hand have different healing areas for other places in the body? I've always thought of hands as tools, not as part of stress relief.
Bro, your hands hold tension too. They're involved in everything you do. Taking a moment to care for them is like telling your nervous system, you're safe, you can calm down now. Yes, one hand is like the other when it comes to improving circulation, promoting relaxation, and supporting the body healing.
I'm sold. Showers just keep leveling up. What's next? Elbows?
You'd be surprised, man, but one step at a time. It's all about slowing down, tuning in, and making even the smallest rituals feel like self-care. Your self-care can be done anytime and anywhere.
By gently working the space between your thumb and finger and tuning in to the calming point on your wrist, you're not just easing tension, you're grounding yourself, reconnecting and reclaiming calm. In the simplest gestures, there's healing. In every shower, there's a chance to reset. For more health tips and information, contact us directly at Mac One Facebook page or visit our website.